Okay, today you're going to start off by reading for 10 minutes. So go ahead and set a timer and pause the video. All right, silent reading is now over, and we're moving on to step 2. I left step 1 here just in case you didn't start your vocabulary yet. Step 2, we're moving on to our second article, which is shorter and focuses on one very concrete topic. The article is called When a Crop Becomes King, and it's all about corn and how corn is in just about everything that we eat. You're going to follow the same procedure we did last time. You will the article's on paper, so it's in the front of the classroom on the small table below the Van Gogh painting. So make sure everyone gets a copy. And you're going to read a section silently. Then you're going to fill in the chart for that section and repeat. And I know it takes a while, so you may not be able to finish it today, but you should probably finish at least 3/4. This is the document you're going to be filling in. You'll start by making a prediction based on the title. Then you're going to read the first paragraph and make a guess, or I guess clarify your understanding of what Michael Pollan's going to be discussing. Then you're going to read the first 4 paragraphs. What do you think he's going to be trying to prove? Then you're going to try to turn the title into some questions. And, oops, this is in the wrong section. And then you're going to fill in this chart. I tried to give you some ideas. Remember, paragraph, or what does it say? It should be a summary. Okay, so that should be straight up. What does the article say? Don't interpret it. Don't add any ideas. Just what does it say? Second column is all about what does it show. So this is where you're making inferences. What are the implications or what's the interpretation? What should I get out of this? And then what's the action? So therefore, we should do what? Right now, I have this in the wrong spot, but here's an example. I'm going to move this down to paragraph 6. So paragraph 6 explains how pervasive corn is, how hidden from us it is, and how extra corn is used by companies. What does that mean? Well, I can make the inference that corn is in like every single meat we eat. So every chicken, pig, cow, and even fish are all fed corn. So even if you say like, oh, I'm not going to eat corn, I'm not going to eat popcorn or corn on the cob. If you eat any of those meats, you're still eating corn. It's kind of crazy. What's the implication or the consequence? Well, our health might be affected from eating the flesh of these animals and the antibiotics that are put into or actually, so since these animals only eat one crop, just that corn, they have to be given extra antibiotics to keep them healthy. And so we're consuming those antibiotics that are in the meat because they're fed so much corn. So that's kind of an implication. Okay, so you're just going to fill it in, kind of give you some ideas as you go, and hopefully you finish by tomorrow.